Creating an order form or payment page on System.io is a simple way to sell products or services online. Here's how to do it. Log into System.io. Go to System.io, sign in or create a free account. Create a funnel. From the dashboard, click on Funnels, Create. Name your funnel, select the goal and choose Sell a product or service. Add the sales page and order form. Your funnel will automatically include the sales page and order form step. Click Order Form, Edit Page. Customize the order form. Use the drag and drop editor to design your form. Include essential fields like name, email, payment method. You can also add product images, guarantees, testimonials, and FAQs. Configure payment settings. Exit the editor and click the settings icon next to the order form step. Under pricing, click Add Product. Add product name, price, currency. Choose payment method. Set payment type, one-time, subscription or payment plan. Publish and share. Click Save, then preview to test your page. When ready, share the funnel URL or embed it on your website.